Hello and welcome. We are unboxing, it's gonna be a surprise, my paid for Boxycharm base box. Now last month, I got a large heavy box just like this one, and I had a freaking washing machine in there. Although cute, not for your girl. Very gimmicky in my opinion, whatever. There's a whole video on it, just check all my videos. By the way, Jim and I with ADHD, I'm gonna talk a lot. You chose to click on a channel that starts with hot mess because this is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we are cut it out. We're not gonna complain about it. My brain is all over the place. It's been a busy flipping day. I'm filming multiple videos. I did a Chic Beauty Box try-on. I did a Chic Beauty Box unboxing, and I'm doing a Boxycharm unboxing, and oh my gosh, my 16-year-old took their driver's test today. They passed. They passed. I'm very happy for them. Okay, so it's like insert whole new worry to my mom brain. God bless. So anywho's, this is going to be coming later. By the time this video goes up, there should be a new giveaway video up for you all. I have the giveaway stuff sitting here. I'm filming this on a Monday. Tuesday is the day that I picked my winner from my last giveaway, and I'm just going to go ahead and start a new giveaway. So we're on a journey to 100K, friends, and if I have to buy your love, well, okay. That's so bad. No, I just need to get you to subscribe to my channel. So mom has teens and I'm very stressed out and they're expensive. So here I sit making videos for you guys to just calm my brain. Anyways, I make no sense, but it's fine. Anyways, I have another channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over there. I'm really excited. I'm gonna have a Walmart haul coming up for y'all over there, as well as another Shein curve. I'm trying out this new like shapewear bra over there. Lots of things are happening over there, as well as over here. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. And now that I've taken about 3 minutes of your time, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I'm procrastinating. Did you buy the candles yet? You should. You definitely should. I don't know what's going on with this eye. She's just wanting to wink it all up. Oh, anyways, definitely check out Martha over the Good Candle. I'm gonna shout my girl out darn near every single time while the fall candles are available, because holy guacamole, they smell amazing. Also, shout out to my YouTube members. You don't have to help your girls support this channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all. And as soon as I can figure out the freaking how to make the live work off my phone for you all, that'll be happening. Okay, I'm rambling. Let's shut up, Rhonda. Okay, so the Boxycharm base box is now with change. Let's just call it like 32 bucks. I don't really know what it is with tax, but it is what it is. So this is what it looks like. This is my base box. This is what I paid for. Off the top of my head, I did not pick my item. I let Boxycharm pick it for October. So it does come with a card and a theme. Everyone will be under your spell. Okay. I'm like looking all over. Okay, all right, here we go. And I can give you guys some reviews. So the first item that I have in here is by Toy Factory. This is actually, it's all boxed up, so I'm not gonna unbox it, but this is actually a setting spray. It's vegan and cruelty free. And it does have hyaluronic acid in here. I actually used it before I put on my makeup today. It does have a retail value of $24, and it says your serum and setting spray are now one. And that look you just created is about to last all day and all night, featuring hyaluronic acid. Here's what I can tell you all. This is going to be a review on this. I used it with my, I think it's called Nude Sticks, the moisturizer I always use. I put the moisturizer on, I spritzed my face with this. I went in with my new face firming anti-aging tool, whatever you want to call it, and I really liked it. I put all my makeup on. I went a little too accidentally ham sandwich with my one size powder, and I was looking a little too dry, and I went in with this, and now I look like this. I'm very pleased with how I look, and if you don't like it, shh, we're not jacking with Rhonda's mental health, okay? Don't be an a-hole. I actually really like this. And I like the fact that it doesn't make my skin too oily, too shiny, or too dewy, or sticky. If I had to compare this to any setting spray out there, I would compare this to the Charlotte Tilbury Magic, I think it's called Magic Setting Spray. That stuff's amazing. It's golden. And I love the way the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray makes my face look after I spritz it. It gives it the hydration that it needs without doing too much, and I feel like that's what this does. So I actually love this, and I'm happy to have it back up. All on that. Okay, the next item in here I actually did receive as well in my PR box. This is the Dew of the Gods breakfast. I'm gonna throw it around. Do you see that? Why am I doing that? Oh, I know I'm doing that because I'm stressed out that my baby's gonna be driving. Okay, it's part of growing up, Mom. Okay, I know. It's called Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer. I like this. The video's not going to be up yet because I still have to edit it because lazy life. No, I'm just busy with other things. This is got a retail value of $32. It's Breakfast of Champions and the Tropics hit different, whatever. Think of this as your skin's morning collagen smoothie. I love it paired with my nude sticks. My nude sticks, turmeric, vitamin C, I talk about it all the time. I'll link it below for you all. I love that. I use that, as I told you all, with this setting spray with my nude face. Now, pairing it together, I love it. Now, when I use this by itself, without my nude sticks, I don't love it. So I feel like with my normal Decombo dry skin, it needs extra moisturizer for this, which is really weird. But it wasn't like the worst primer. I just don't remember it being like my favorite. Obviously, I've only used it a couple times. I have a NYX color correcting primer on today, and I actually really like the NYX one. So I'll just have to play around more with this one. All right. Oh my gosh. It's like they bought so much stock in the iconic London Desk to Dance palettes. I got another one. I actually just gave one away to my 16-year-old's friend for, it was her birthday. And I was like, here, take this, give it to her. She likes the makeup. So, yeah. Oh, I can't get it. There we go. So, I think I've only received this in PR. I don't think this is an actual repeat for me personally. This is, yeah, I only received this in PR. So, with that being said, this is not a repeat for me for my base box, but it is a repeat product. Now, like I've told you all, I don't mind seeing repeat products from items that we saw like in our base box or in our premium box or in our luxe box. That doesn't bother me. However, I feel like they have, whew, between Ipsy and Boxy, I feel like I know that this is probably like the third iconic London palette out there, but I feel like we see it so much, I'm low-key a little tired of it. So there's that. But honestly, I haven't even tried it. I've tried one of the palettes and it was fine. But I'll probably just throw this in. Well, I know I'm going to throw this in a giveaway. That has a retail value of $62. Expensive. The next item in here is the Treloose Beauty Lucent Glow. This is a palette. Oh, hold on, Haley's calling. Okay, sorry about that, mom life, kids. All right, so this I did receive in PR. Let's see if it's, I think it's the same one. It's the lighter one. It was pretty. Kiss me, camera. Hi, your job is to focus. Okay. I know it's hard, trust me. I struggle to focus too. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna swatch this one because I already have one. So this will be put into a giveaway as well. I'm trying to do giveaways like as often as possible for you all over here to give back now that we've finally got it figured out how to do it safely. So my thoughts on this palette, I honestly thought the formula was gonna stink. And then I actually applied it to my face, and I actually liked it. It wasn't bad. It has a $26 retail value. It does have vitamin E and Mexican blue agave. Yeah. To deliver a unique softness. It just, honestly, it wasn't anything extraordinary. I know that sounds horrible to say. It was just like your typical standard, kind of reminded me of ABH, one of like their 4-pan or Huda Beauty's palettes. It built up. It was pretty. It was cute. She cute. It's fine. All right, next in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, last in here is the Half Caked Airbrush Complexion Concealer Brush Duo. Oh, that's nice. Okay, well, see, the nice thing with subscriptions, this is literally how I've grown my collection, is by subscription boxes. So, oh, actually, these are really pretty. So this is what they look like. It is a duo. So this one is for concealer, this is for your foundation, and I love using cream products, so this will work really good because it's synthetic. So that's actually nice. And altogether, this came to $25. I will add everything up for you all and give you guys my final thoughts. I winked again. What is up with that? All right, so my grand total came to $169, and I paid close to $32 for this box. So here's my thoughts on this box. I love the fact that it's definitely more of like how I want more makeup. Like before, I felt like we were getting skincare and a lip balm and a lip oil or what have you. So I love the fact, sorry the camera's janky, that we did get an eyeshadow palette in here. Now, I wouldn't have this palette if I didn't receive PR. So with that said, I would be pleased with this palette. It is a neutral, more of a neutral warm palette, so there's definitely looks that I can create with the palette. I was pleasantly surprised with this. And like I was telling y'all, I liked the primer. The primer was nice and it was hydrating, but I definitely needed to use more hydration just for my skin. I think if you have oily skin, you're probably really gonna love this. I'm always happy to receive face brushes like this. I like a foundation brush, and I'm honestly, I don't apply my concealer with a brush, but it'll be fun to try. Sorry, I'm using natural lighting, so we got a lot of sun, and I love this. So in all honesty, y'all, this October paid for Boxycharm box is 10 times better than my September. My September box was hideous. Now, with that being said, I didn't get on Instagram much at all this weekend, so I still have yet to see anybody with the Wonder Beauty eyeshadow duo thing. Like, have y'all seen any of those yet? I mean, even you all said you hadn't seen any. So I'm definitely curious. Probably by the time this video goes up, we'll start seeing variations for that. But I'm definitely curious to see what the variations were. This, like I said, this variation was definitely better than last month's. No gimmicky products. And I mean, I'm tired of the iconic London palette. But that's only because I own it and I'd received it in past PR boxes. So that definitely wasn't a Boxycharm thing or an Ipsy thing. That was a Rhonda thing. So, you know, there's that. But I have been interrupted 100 times. I'm really sorry about that. But, you know, mom life, real life, and hot mess mom life. Thank you once again to my YouTube members for helping to support this channel. I definitely greatly appreciate you all. You don't have to help the channel and you choose to, and I definitely appreciate you all. I also have my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I'm like very scatterbrained right now from all the different interruptions. I'm like, I can't keep up with what I said last. Queen of repeat over here, but it's fine. But check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for plus size cover girl fashion hauls. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and on TikTok, Hotmess Momma of 4. There should be a giveaway up by the time you guys see this video, or if not, it's coming very soon. And I'm really excited that I can start doing giveaways for you all and giving back, because I appreciate you all. And y'all have stuck through highs and lows like no other. Like job losses, kids growing up, the whole shebang. So I am excited to be able to give back to you all in a safe manner where you don't have to put your information out there. And just FYI, but you know, we have had issues with you all leaving it out under your comments, no matter what video it is. Someone takes my thumbnail and they're like, hey, you're on the short list of winnings, blah, 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 blah. Ignore it, it's not me. I would never contact you all that way. The way we do it is in a form manner. You fill out a form and I contact you through the information you put on that form, never off of the comment section. So please don't fall for that. I've seen some of y'all said you fell for it and you actually gave money. I will never ask you for money. So just please keep that in mind. Anyways, I'm gonna have some videos playing at the end of today's video. My old school playlist from 2017. You know what? If you don't change, you don't evolve, then I'm rambling again. I'm hopping off. The rambles have never changed though. Alright friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. Still it feels like a pretend.